Have you ever wondered why the stock price of any stock, when it reaches in the upper level, it goes in a straight line, or when it falls in the red zone, it goes in a straight line after a certain point? Now that is called the upper and the lower circuit. This is set by the BSE and the NSE, that is the stock exchanges, so that the stock cannot be very volatile. So they have set a limit, that is a percentage as to how high or low the stock price can go. Once the stock price reaches the upper limit, it will be set at that price itself. You cannot buy if the price is in the green zone, and you cannot sell if the price is in the red zone, because it has reached its limit of today's session. The same happened with Jio Financial Services. When the listing of Jio Financial Services happened, 3 consecutive days it fell and it was hitting the lower circuit, and this caused a major problem for the stock. Jio Financial Services also started hitting the upper circuit. Because of the consecutive falling, there has been also rises after those falls. Now the stock exchanges have increased the circuit limit of 5% to 20%. That means the stock of Jio Financial Services can now increase or decrease 20% in the day instead of the previous 5%. Follow Vision Shares for more such information, and I'll see you next video.